Best price, lowest price, Ripley and Fletcher Ford in South Paris, Maine. Welcome. This is a 2009 Buick Lucerne CXL Limited Edition. Riding on 17-inch alloys. I'm going to show you the tire tread here. You've got plenty of tire tread. You're not going to need new tires for a very long time. The rims are not curved. This is a very stylish car. As you can see, no nicks, dings, dents, or scratches. Here's a great shot of the passenger side. Again, another shot of the tires, plenty of tread. This vehicle has a 3.9-liter V6 engine putting out 227 horsepower at 5,700 RPM. We've got an 18-gallon fuel tank, and it ranges between 17 and 26 miles per gallon, giving you a total range of 468 miles per tank full. It is a limited edition, so it does have some really nice features, up to and including dual power front seats, 8-way power front seats. You do have a center console with storage and cup holders and the ability to seat 6 passengers. And you have the on-the-column shift here, which gives you that ability, no floor shifter. You also have an XM radio, CD player, CD changer, and obviously AM, FM. You also have Bluetooth technology as well as OnStar capability. This car does have a heated steering wheel, and I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but it's got 64,772 miles. That's tilt steering wheel right there, and like I said, 8-way power driver's seat. By the way, this does have a clean Carfax, and it was traded here at the dealership from a local owner. And you got power windows and power door locks, power mirrors, memory seats, and like I said, you've got your heated seats right there. Now we take a look at the back seat. Again, really plush, comfortable, leather, cushy seats. I mean, you can tell the car's been really cared for. It's extremely clean, very, very nice car. And with the 3.9-liter V6, you've got plenty of get up and go with great gas mileage. You do have a rear seat center pass-through here through the trunk, so you can put 2x4s, golf clubs, skis, cross-country skis, or whatever you might have to carry. So again, this is a 2009 Buick CXL Limited Edition Lucerne, right there. Backup sensors. I'm sure I missed some stuff, but this is just a really nice car. Give us a call here at Ripley and Fletcher Ford to schedule your test drive. 207-743-8938, or check us out online at www.ripleyandfletcherford.com. Oxford County's premier dealer since 1909. Give us a call or check us out. By the way, this is one of many beautiful used cars we have here at the dealership.